In this video, I will show you how to blur faces in Premiere Pro. Start by making sure you have your clip in the timeline. Go to the project panel, right-click, hover over New Item, and then select Adjustment Layer. Leave the settings at default and click OK. This will create an adjustment layer. Drag and drop it above your video clip, then make sure its duration matches the video clip. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it onto your adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. Look for the blur effect and click the Ellipse Shape tool to create a circular mask around the face. Once you have the mask in place, click the play icon in the Effect Controls panel to track the face movement throughout the clip. After tracking, increase the blurriness to your liking. The face will now be blurred. If you want a stronger blur effect, you can use the mosaic effect instead. Adjust the mask feather settings to refine the effect and make it blend smoothly. And that is how you blur faces in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.